class student. In this class we are discuss about the chapter 1. Chapter 1 is numbers. Student, in previous class we already learned about the hundred, tens and ones place value. So look at the following. What we have? We have 10 ones. Do you know the ones? Yes. So this is the ones. Okay. So we have 10 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones make 110. Okay. 10 one makes 110. Okay. So if we have 10 tens here, so it will become 100 students. So like this, if we have 1 rupees coin, so it make it. If we have 10 1 rupees coin, so it will convert on to 10 rupees note. It will convert on to 10 rupees note. So if we have 10 rupees note, student, so how can you count 10 rupees notes into 10 notes? Yes. So it will become 100 rupees note. 1 rupees converted into 10 rupees. 10 rupees, okay, 10 rupees note make 100 rupees, okay. So like this we have to follow the methods. So let us see our first question, student. If we have this is the 100 cubes, 100 and 200, this is the ones, tens values. So how many tens we have and how many ones we have to count. So let us count. How many 100 we have? 1 and 2. So what we are going to write here? 200. Okay. So how many tens we have? We have to count. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens we have. Okay, student. How many ones we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can clearly write the 6 here. So how can we call this? 200, 3 tens and 6 ones. So student, like this you have to follow the method. So our second question is, there is the 100 rupees, 10 rupees and 1 rupees coin. So how many 100 rupees we have? 200 rupees we have. How many 10 rupees note we have and how many coins we have? We have to count. So count after me. 100 and 200. So how can we write? 200. Yes. So how many 10 note we have? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10 rupees note we have. So what we are going to write here? 4. Yes. So how many 1 rupee coin we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 we are going to write here. So student, this is the method we have to follow in every question. Like this we can solve all these questions, students. So student, can you please tell me what is this? This is a spike abacus. We already see this spike abacus in our pre-primary classes. This spike abacus, we have small rings we have. So with these rings we can count the numbers, we can identify the numbers. So this is ones place value, tens place value, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh and 10 lakh value. So with this we can count the beads and we can identify the numbers values. Okay students, so like this I have draw here a spike abacus. So we can count the beads and we can write here the numbers according to the place value chart. So can you please count the beads? How many ones we have? Can you please count? Yes, 1 and 2. How many ones we have? 2 ones we have. So in tens value how many beads we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens we have. In 100 value how many rings we have, student? 1. So we can write here 1 numbers. Okay, in 1000 value how many rings we have? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write here 6 numbers. So how can we call this number? 6142. 6142. Yes, in second question we have In ones place value, how many bits we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write here 4. In tens value, we have how many bits we have? We have to count 1, 2, 3. So in tens value, we have 3 numbers. So in hundred value, how many rings we have? Only 1. So we can write here 1. In thousand value, how many rings we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can get the answer 5134. 5134. So like this we have the another question, student. Write the numbers for this number names. So we have to find out the numbers. So we have 4800. So how can we write 4800? So first we are going to write 4000. So 4800. Okay, in second question is 2608. 2608. So first we are going to write 2608. Like this we can solve all the questions, students. So student, our second question is, next question is write in the expanded form and short form. In this question we can solve the expanded as well as short form also. So our first question is 2745. We have to find out the expanded form of these numbers. So we already know about the ones, place, thousands value. So we can see here, this is the ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So like this we can see 5 in ones place. So 5 in one place. So we can write this only 5. 4 is, we have 4 is tens place. So we can write this into 40 because this is in tens place. So 7 is, we have hundreds place. So we can write 7 is 100. And the last thing is number 2. Number 2 is thousands place. So we can write this into okay. So like this we have to write. So now we can write from here, from 1000 we can write the answers. So how can you write? 2000 plus 700 plus 4 tens means 40 and 5 ones. So like this method we have to follow the expanded form, student. So 5 is ones place, 4 is tens place, 7 is hundreds place and 2 is thousands place. So we can write 2740 and 5 is ones place. So like this we can form the expanded form. So like this, so this is the expanded form and this is the short form. So if we are calculate this number, so we can get easily short form of the numbers. So our next question is, student, write the successor of each number. In successor we can plus 1 with these numbers. So we can 297 plus 1. So what we get? 7 plus 1 equal to number 8. And 9 and 2. So what we get? 298. So successor of this number 297 we can get 298. Yes. So our another question is 342. We have to add one number into, in successor we can count one number into this number. We have to add this. So 342 we have to 342 we can add one number. So what we get? 343. So our answer is 3 4, 3. In successor we have to minus 1 numbers. Minus 1 number from this number. So we can minus 3, 4, 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 4, 3. So we can get the predecessor of this number is 3, 4, 7. So like this we have to perform successor and predecessor, students.